Hopefully you can see me. I took my tripod off and now it's back on again. It's been that long since I've filmed in my car. Car vlog. It's been a long time. It's just been a while, okay? Happy, I don't even know what day it is. Thursday, I think. We're doing a daily vlog. I didn't do a weekly vlog this week just because I really kind of wanted to focus on A, getting better, and B, I'm so congested right now because I just woke up. And B, what else am I saying? What am I saying? What are the words that I want to come out of my mouth? I don't know. I just wanted to rest and get better and get my house organized after the chaos that was the holidays and then that was us getting sick. So yeah, overall feeling so much better. Obviously not contagious or anything like that anymore. So I'm on my way to the gym. I had I just had a non-idyllic start to my new year, but it is what it is. I'm slowly starting to just build back those routines and those habits. The last 2 days I've gone on walks, which is good because I didn't do any of that for a while. And I just notice a mood boost when I do that. But I did just sign up for that guy. I think I've told you guys about him, Mark Carroll. He does this thing called the challenge, and it's like $100. And he like programs out workouts for you. It's an 8-week challenge. You're doing it with everybody. You're on a Facebook group where whether you're building muscle or you're cutting muscle, whether you're female, male, at home or in the gym. Anyways, I signed up again for it and it starts January 24th. And I've decided, last time I cut, but I didn't really cut. A lot of things happened during that last challenge. I got shingles. I like broke my toe with a weight. So lots happened where it really kind of hindered me from, my watch broke. All the things, okay? But what I love about it is it's on an app. You get to like load all of your food, things, whatever. And nonetheless, okay? Last time I cut, right? So I got workouts for a cut. This time I'm going to be building at my maintenance calories. So my maintenance calories are like 2,100 calories or something like that. So I'm going to be building muscle at that. I'm not doing a full build just because I've never really, I don't even think I eat enough food. So I'm gonna focus on eating enough food for the next 8 weeks and trying to build stronger muscles in the gym. So I'm excited for it. That just shows me how far I've come because like honestly I'm like I was super scared to like I don't know, get fat, but I'm not fat, whatever. Anywho, if you want to join is what I was getting at. He has a referral program which I didn't even know he had. So I'll leave the link down below. It's like, I think it gives you a $10 credit and me a $10 credit. I have no idea what it actually does. I was just going on the website yesterday I signed up yesterday and I was going on and figuring all my stuff out and I was like, oh, they have a referral program. So it was a way for me to be able to like connect you with what I'm doing if you guys are interested in signing up as well. If you didn't have necessarily the kickstart of 2022 that you wanted because of, man, I don't know, maybe you were sick like half the entire world. Now's your chance. And I love his workouts. Like I literally just finished his last workout again. I did it again. Like I use his workouts every time I go to the gym. And I just cycle through what I've known and what I've done. And I would imagine it's pretty similar to this one. But it's gonna be more focused. This time I'm gonna be more focused on calories and just see if there's any difference in the workout, like tempo and rep sets and splits sets or whatever, supersets. I don't know all these things, but I'm excited. So yeah, that's starting on the 24th. And the cool thing is you have it till like April. So let's say you don't want to start or you can't start now, you have until like February to actually start and get it in. So yeah, that's, oh my God, my car says 39 degrees with a little snowflake on it. It's chilly here in Dallas. But what else? Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm feeling better. Today I'm gonna take you along on a day. I've got a ton of errands to run. Like I said, I've kind of really been taking it easy. and I want to make another juice, so I'll take you along in that experience. I love my new juicer. We'll talk about that. What else? I don't know. I was planning to go to the mall, but if you guys saw my recent Abercrombie haul, I had asked you guys if you thought I needed a long in those like slit whatever hem pants or whatever. Well, I ordered a long, it came in stock, so I was like, heck yeah. So I wanted to see which one I like better before I return one of them, but it still hasn't come and it's not coming today. And I have some other returns as well, but like that white top, that was horrendous. Nonetheless, I do have a ton of Amazon returns and postage stuff that I gotta get done today. And yeah, then we're gonna get back into the routine of life. I hope you guys are having a great start to your 2022, and if not, it's never too late to just change it around, reassess your goals, or set some new ones, even on a Thursday. So let's get after it, you guys. Starting with the gym. And ready to go. Put some makeup on my little earrings that Scott got me. Oop, cannot see. Can you see? For my birthday. So cute. I have my little Abercrombie zip-up sweater. Is my mirror dirty or is just my camera screen dirty? I don't know. My H&M mom jeans. I'm probably gonna throw on just like my Vans or something. But yeah, now we gotta go run some errands. I just washed, it was a hair washing day, so I washed my hair and blew it out, and honestly it's almost time to get a retouch. I didn't do a full highlight last time, I only did a partial, but I think it's time to get another one soon, so let's go. All right, let's get my life together. Hello. I am in the car. Clearly you can tell what is on my pants. No idea. All right, we're off to run some errands. Need to run to Office Max to print off a label. Well, like 3 labels. I have to make lists or else I forget legitimately everything. So let's go get some stuff done. It's freezing. Probably should have grabbed a jacket because it's like 30 degrees out. But yeah, we're gonna run some errands, get some ish done. Lots of returns. I wanted to run to the mall today, but my Abercrombie stuff is still not here and doesn't even say it's out for delivery, even though it's in Dallas. So I don't know. I just don't know. We're off. And one of you guys like ask me why I don't actually have a printer when I print so much stuff and go to Office Max all the time. Honestly, guys, the cost is just not, I outweigh things. And I don't have the storage. If we had like an office, then we probably would get like a real printer or a label printer or whatever. But we don't have the place to store it. I would have to connect it every single time. I just don't have the storage for it. And honestly, it costs like 10 cents to print something, and I do it maybe 3 times a month, if that. Sometimes I do it more, sometimes I do it less. So it really doesn't like make sense to spend at least $100 on a printer than like the ink and the toner and all that stuff that I just don't want to deal with. I used to have a printer, and every time I get a printer, I always just give it away to Goodwill or something like that. Probably should go buy one at Goodwill, but I just never have had the space to keep it plugged in all the time or found a use for it. So that's why I go to Office Max. It's really cheap, it's easy, and I don't have to worry about fussing with an actual printer. Nonetheless, we're headed there, and then we're gonna go drop off all these packages that I need to return, exchange, and all the things. And then I'm gonna get some stuff because we're making ramen tonight. I'm super stoked about it. I called to see if a restaurant around us would give me fresh ramen noodles, but they said no. We've done it before, so I don't know. And then Scott was on hold with another restaurant forever and they finally hung up on him. So I'm just like, I don't feel like trying to find parking to go in to just be told no for fresh noodles. So I'll probably just get something at the grocery store and be done with it and not care too much. So I've got to run some, I just need like a couple of things on my list. Honestly, I might go run and do that, grab that now. And then run the rest of the errands afterwards. Let's go to Kroger. I need like gochujang and miso. Hopefully I can find it all here. I have literally no idea, but this will be my first stop because it's on the way. And if I can't find it, I'll just, you know, mosey on over to another spot and try there. Everyone's staring at me with my camera and my windshield. You know? I don't know. Oh, you are blocking all the parking spots, my friends, with your cart. Okay. All right. Ooh, I'm gonna hit that. I don't want to hit that. Okay, let's go into Kroger. See if I can find what I need. All right. Just got out of Kroger. Got everything I needed. The only thing... No, they had everything. Yeah, I was able to get everything that I needed. I really wanted fresh noodles. I might still try to get some from Wabi House. All right, errands are done. Finished all my returns, exchanges, situations. Hopefully all is well with that. I don't know what I have going on in my hair. Anyhow, I literally was just like hit a wall of starvation, and I was like, what the heck? And then I was like, it's because you haven't eaten today. My appetite has been really, that's like one of the things that's been the hardest to get back since being sick. I've had zero appetite, and the worse it gets, like the worse like I put off eating, obviously not on purpose, the worse my like need to eat gets. It's really terrible. So I'm gonna head home and stuff my face with food because I'm super hungry. It's 3 o'clock. I've had a protein shake and a coffee. Well, I don't actually know if it's warm or not. That's what it is. All right, tell the people what it is.
What this is?
No, Scott.
Or what?
What that is.
Okay. Well, what we have here is
You can see it very well.
pork tenderloin,
Oh, thanks for the lighting.
pork tendies, and I basically butterflied it, flattened it out, stuffed it with smoked Gruyere cheese,
Ooh, fancy.
layered it with spinach, and then some sauteed bacon and mushroom and garlic.
And then did you put blackening seasoning on the outside?
No, it's like a pork rub.
It's very spicy.
Put on
very
the
good.
outside. Very good, very good.
All
Thank
right,
you.
enjoy.
All right,
Bye.
I will. Thanks, bye.
So I just cleaned up the sink and now I'm rinsing all of my produce. And let it soak for a little bit. Mud and dirt that came out of there. But we're ready to
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
broth going over here and it tastes freaking amazing. I'm like really excited about this. There's like bacon in it. I'll leave the recipe listed down below for you guys. It's half-baked harvest. Again, are we surprised? She's amazing. And I just chopped up some green onions. I did it 2 ways. I did like the stem of it, and then I did a little bit of the like greens for decor. My chicken is not fully defrosted yet, so I'm laying that out to defrost it so that I can cutlet it, like slice it in half to make it thinner, and then panko it and put a little bit of sesame seeds in it and fry it up in some sesame oil. It'll be so good, you guys. I'm so excited.
Weird man.
Who's there? Your hair is so crazy. Did Daddy brush it before you went to daycare today? Probably not, huh? Do you like the chicken katsu? Is it yummy? Mmm. Say mmm. What are you doing, sweet man? Can you say hello? Hey, get your feet off the table. Hey, can you count to 10? Starting at 3 today? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that good green beans? I love you. Mwah. I think he likes the katsu. Turned out really good. I have everything ready to go. I have the rest of the chicken like butterflied over here in the panko. Scott is selling Arlo's old bike trailer, so he's downstairs getting ready for that lady to come soon to pick that up. But let me just see if there's anything. All right, I just have to, oh, I have to make my egg. That's what I'm